Gotta turn one and it's all gonna be okay.
Nico!
Watch that. Are you
saw
good?
it? Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Yep. Green tractor's being a bit of a butthead though.
They are.
You're in the top 10 now. Keep it up.
I'm behind you.
Already? Wow.
Nice move. Good job.
Sorry.
Okay, mate, we might need to look at a new race strategy after that. I've got some options for you, so go and check your MFD.
Sorry if I screwed you up.
You're good.
Whoa, what the Russell? Well, Russell just screwed me over.
I watched that. Do you lose some front wing?
This will
Yeah.
have a major impact on performance unless you box for a new one.
Enough to pit for?
Yep. It showed that I passed him, because I'm lagging really bad right now. I'll give you a tow.
Okay, no issues with tyre wear for now. Keep taking care of them.
Ah! That was a crappy brake zone. Are you pitting here in a minute or no?
Whenever my tires are dead. Already at almost 30%.
Are you pitting this lap or next lap then?
I don't know. When are you, did you do the default strategy?
Yeah, oh, I'm on mediums, yeah.
When do they have you pitting?
I think lap like 10 maybe.
Okay.
Twelve actually.
Pitting this lap then. Come into the pits at the end of this lap. Yellow flag.
Behrman's off track somewhere around
Someone's
here.
come off ahead of you. There's a yellow flag ahead. Green flag.
Why are sometimes the AI trash and sometimes they're like goated?
I know, like right now I'm struggling. But I also have broken front wing, so. And now I'm down to 4.
Yeah, but like,
Back down to last
Let's
place.
go. That was a fantastic
It's all right,
stop,
climb it
faster
again.
than we were expecting.
like the last
That was
race
our
I was
last stop.
cooking
No more scheduled
Yeah.
all of them. I was
pit
beating
stops.
by
Let's
like all 10 seconds, and now I'm struggling to catch George.
I know. I passed him, then I died.
Yeah, so I've watched that.
No, it was weird. Wait, I have it recording, so you'll be able to see it.
No, I saw it. It looked weird. Like you passed him, and then it like teleported you back
Yeah,
behind
yeah.
him.
That was it. Yep. Okay, so it wasn't just me.
Yeah, I saw that.
Coming for you, Hajar.
And gap to the car in front, 2.4 seconds.
There we go.
I'm already catching back up. I started 10 seconds behind when I came out of the pits.
I passed Russell.
Nice.
Okay, be careful with the front wing. You've taken some minor damage. Good job. That was the fastest lap of the race so far.
Man, in the woods. And it's you, because you just said a fastest lap. And I'm scared.
Max Verstappen.
It's terrifying when you see Max Verstappen in your rearview mirror. Because you know it's not a matter of if he passes you, it's when.
Take it easy on the car. We can't sustain this level of damage.
I'm having fun, but it's hard to talk.
Yeah, alright. I'll shut up.
Nah, you're good, you're good. I know what I was trying to say, I just couldn't get the words out. Call me Sonny Hayes, I gotta repair my front wing again.
Nice work, mate. That brings you up a place. Okay, mate. It's good to get your elbows out, mate, but come on, not like this. Let's keep it clean, please.
Oh, I'm not
We're
catching up to
starting
you
to catch
guys.
the car in front, but we need to look after the tyres. We won't be making another pit stop.
Sure you are. But
Oh, it's a solid train,
Also,
I
we-
might be able to. Maybe.
also, to be fair, none of us have pitted yet. I'm about to, but
I'm gonna stay out. Past Hulkenberg. Up to 10.
I'll come here, let's stroll. Oh, strolly poo.
There goes Hamilton!
They're mad at me for hitting Stroll.
That's funny.
It was Stroll's fault.
109 times out of 110 it's his fault. But it's never his fault or a problem.
Mm-hmm.
He always made out to be the victim.
No need to worry about the tyre condition for now. Everything's looking good.
went a little too deep and you took advantage.
Nice work, you smashed it. Really good job on hitting that target, mate.
Sonoda's out.
Okay, so
I think,
gap to
or
the
did he
car
pit?
ahead.
Oh, I thought
Nah,
I ran him
just
into the
pitted.
wall.
Lando Norris. Oh. Oops.
Didn't mean to do that. This is not good.
Dude, Verstappen just freaking brake checked
I
me.
saw that.
I had to lock up to not hit him.
My front
Why are you
tires
defending
are
Norris,
dead.
Verstappen?
This is not good.
I mean, you got a lot of laps left to try and hold on with those tires.
I'm pitting
Yeah.
on your wing. Come on.
Go to soft tires if you can.
You think? I'm doing it. Come on. Oh, come on! They had a choke in
What?
the pits. Ah!
Oh, the team
12
choke.
seconds.
Oh man.
12-second pit stop. Ferrari pit stop right there.
Yes, sir.
Back behind Stroll. Avoid damaging your front wing for 4 laps.
That's hard though. Why are the AI so fast on this map?
I know. Only a miracle will save me now. You need to get Verstappen to pit Lando.
Out of Verstappen. I need to catch Lando. That was a bad corner. I lost a bunch of time in there.
Are you in 3rd or 2nd?
Second.
Okay.
I'm chasing Lando, but I'm struggling to make progress. I mean, the McLaren's the best car on the grid in this game, so. And in this season. Because it does change depending on the career mode, but this one particularly, McLaren is the fastest car. So like, I'll make up time in the corner, but it just pulls it out on the straight.
I noticed that in the Miami GP when I was behind Piastri.
Yeah.
He like took off. It was crazy.
Okay, I've got a brand new race strategy on your MFD if you want to go and check it out. Okay, let's go now. Come on. Perfect job from you and the crew there, mate. We're delighted with that. Okay, mate. After that front wing damage, we've got to look after it now. Please protect the front wing. Come on. Yes, mate. We hit the target. Nice work.
My race engineer just had a stroke.
0.1 seconds. You're increasing the gap to the car behind by a few seconds per lap. Keep it up. No tyre concerns at the moment, just focus on the driving. Keep managing your tyres, manage your tyres.
That was a horrible turn. Gotta dive bomb the next. Russell's trying to kill me. .5 seconds. Well, I gotta settle for fourth. 14 seconds ahead of me is you guys. Are you able to do more races tonight?
Maybe.
It's not that late right now, is it? No, it's only
Yeah.
8:30.
Let me just finish the race and then I'll talk.
Alright.
Okay, you've just started the final lap of the race. Final lap.
Oh man, I was so close.
My tires were dead. I switched to softs. They were almost at 60%.
Oh, you should have seen how close it was to him.
Oh, I'm sure. I think I saw the second.
And here he comes. It's all go,
Last
go, go.
couple corners. Oh my gosh! If there's one corner, if there's one more corner.
And wins.
Damn. That's nasty. I don't want to see him. Dude, my game was so laggy today. I even shut down my secondary monitor.
We had drama from
So,
start to
I'm gonna have
finish,
to close
but in
out
the end,
websites
there
and
was
stuff.
only ever one that could take that top spot. He holds the trophy aloft.